Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Settings and going straight to Display or Appearance. Don't stall on General Prep. Once in Display, identify whether your device lists a dark or appearance option. If prompted, allow theme changes or grant permission to modify system appearance. Make sure you note any custom wallpaper or high-contrast theme you rely on, because switching can alter readability. Now tap or click the dark option to apply an initial system-level change and move to app-level adjustments. Once done with system-level toggling, inspect individual apps because some override system themes. You should open Browser, Mail, and Messaging to toggle their internal dark modes. This ensures consistent contrast and avoids white flashes. Make sure to enable automatic or schedule options if you prefer evening activation. Use sunset-based timing when available. Also check browser extensions or website themes that may force light styles and disable them. After these changes, validate to finalize, restart apps, or reboot so every process picks up the new theme. This resolves most lingering light mode remnants. If a specific app still shows light elements, clear its cache or reinstall it to remove cached UI styles. Make sure your accessibility settings, contrast, text size, still meet your needs after the switch. If things go wrong, try toggling back to light and then dark again. That simple cycle often forces a clean refresh and fixes inconsistent rendering.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.